Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing awesome. I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something which is a big concern these days for the simple reason that I think हमारे माँ बाप लेट बुढ़े हुए हैं और हम जल्दी हो रहे हैं. So they had gray hair very late in life. They still have hair on their head, and I think we're losing hair. We have gray hair so early, and obviously because of the stress, the lifestyle, and the time constraint that we have, we want something which really works, which is effective, and I don't have to really waste my time and money on something. Now that's the idea of today's video. I'm going to recommend products which will work brilliantly for your hair and is something that is definitely worth spending on. Now I'm going to pretty much cover the every damn product that you need for your hair. So please stick around till the end. And in the end, I'm going to reveal one product which is like missing from the internet and nobody's talking about it. Yes. So wait till the end to watch it and give me some love. Okay. Now let's quickly get into it. The first thing that I'm going to recommend is a shampoo. Now this shampoo is called Defabulous. It's the Reviver range. It's basically a hair repair shampoo, guys. Now, if you have treated hair, if you have, colored hair, if you have damaged hair, if you have thin hair, if you have oily scalp, it pretty much works on all types. Now, I'm always on a lookout for shampoos which are not too harsh and which doesn't dry my hair out. Because I often shampoo, like I almost shampoo every second or third day. So I need something which is really mild and it is not too harsh. So this one really works beautifully. Now I used to use Kerasta's range earlier, guys, and I just found that so expensive. So I decided to find something which is of good quality but at the same time not so expensive. So I came across this. I won't say it's supremely affordable like your Dove shampoo, but you have to use very little and the quality is amazing, and it comes in it comes in a lot of deals on Amazon, so you can check it out. This is my first recommendation. A shampoo is first important part of your hair care, because if you don't wash your hair properly and if your scalp is not clean, then any product that you use on your hair, it's useless. The second thing that we're going to discuss after this is the conditioner. Now conditioner, guys, for my, I've completely finished the conditioner, but I use the conditioner from the same brand, Defabulous. They come in a package, so I usually buy it from Amazon or Nykaa sometimes, because during sale you get a very good deal. So please check it out. You get a conditioner from the same brand and they both work together amazingly. Okay. The third thing that I would recommend is a hair mask. Now, obviously, the hair mask also comes in the same brand, but instead of recommending this hair mask, I would actually recommend you this hair mask. This hair mask is called Fino. Fino hair mask. It's a Japanese hair mask. It's available on Amazon only. But please give this hair mask a try and you will really love it. You will thank me later. And if you do like it or love it, please come back and comment and tell me thank you for your recommendation, or we really like it, because it makes me feel really good that whatever I'm saying or doing is helping you guys. Okay. So that's my hair mask recommendation, guys. Now shampoo, conditioner, hair mask done. What we do after that is drying our hair with a hair dryer. Now with hair dryer, guys, it's supremely important that you first use a good serum. Okay. Now this is the serum that I would recommend. This is by L'Oreal. It's called Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now this is for all hair types, guys, and it is really good. You'll also see a lot of salons using this. So it works beautifully. Just take a little bit. You don't have to take too much. Let me kind of show it to you. This is how it looks like. Okay, pretty thin in its consistency, and just take a little bit and don't put it on your scalp or your roots. Just put it here, like at the edges of your hair, because that's where you kind of need more nourishment. So just apply it there, and before you start drying your hair, this is one step that lot of people miss, like a lot of people I know miss, and I can vouch for it because sometimes we are lazy, sometimes we don't know, but you don't know how important this is because we use hair straightener so often, we use hair dryer so often, and that really damages our hair. Okay, so this is what I would recommend. Now this is a heat protection spray, guys. This is by Vela. It is called Thermal Image Heat Protection Spray. Please, please, please always use a heat protection spray when you're drying your hair or ironing your hair because it is supremely important. Supremely important. I can't emphasize more on it. So this is what I would recommend. See, guys, I've almost like finished this bottle. I use it that often. The thing after hair drying is what I would recommend is sometimes what happens is we are styling our hair. Okay, so normally like just how I have hair dried my hair. Now obviously I don't style it. I keep it as simple and basic just to dry my hair. But in case if you are obviously going for a special party or some event, etc., then obviously you would want to style your hair. Now, to style your hair, and if you want your hairstyle to stay for a longer time, then this is something that I would recommend. Okay, this is basically a hair styling spray. It again helps your styling stay for a very long time, guys. I have tried this. It's by Vela. It's called Mystify Me Strong, and it is like, again, I don't think so. It's supremely affordable, guys. Yeah, it's 600 rupees. So look at the size of this bottle. It's so big, and it's pretty affordable. So in these are the days when you want to kind of really style your hair and you want it to stay for a longer time, then this is something you should look out for. Now, guys, the days when we are obviously lazy to shampoo, we have to step out, but our hair are looking oily, we always kind of reach out for a dry shampoo. Now, dry shampoo is something which mostly what I've seen is that they leave a white residue, right? So if you would have tried, dry shampoos, most of them leave like this powder kind of residue, and obviously it goes away after a point. But I just felt that it's not very elegant and that's not like very nice. So I would recommend this one. This is by Anomaly. Okay, this is their basically dry shampoo. Now from Anomaly range, guys, I've tried all the products. I don't like anything except for this dry shampoo. Now this dry shampoo is something that you should try. It leaves no white residue in like when you kind of using it. So, and it obviously works beautifully. So this is my recommendation in case if you're looking for a dry shampoo. Now coming to hair oil, guys. Now hair oil is supremely important, like supremely important, and I would take pride in it because it's a very Indian thing to do. Okay, now hair oil is something which is now kind of becoming a global phenomena thanks to some of our Indians kind of going global and talking about it, like Priyanka Chopra, Deepika Khosla, who's launched in the Wild brand. Now that is now something which is picking up. But one hair oil I would recommend, which really is supremely effective, it is this Ayurvedic hair oil. It is by Kama Ayurveda. It's called Bringadi. Now it works for all your hair problem, like your dandruff issues, your hair fall issues, your thinning issues. It works on everything. Only thing about this hair oil is, guys, that obviously since it's an Ayurvedic hair oil, it will smell of lot of Ayurvedic ingredients. So if you are somebody who doesn't enjoy hair like oil smell at all, then I would not recommend this to you. I would recommend something that's coming up next. So stick around. But if you are okay with the smell of the oil, then this is a great one, a great one. Okay, I use it on my husband, I use it on myself, I use it on my mother, my father, I use it on everybody in the house. Now this is a great one to have. Again, supremely affordable, not too expensive, and works brilliantly. It has got some very amazing ingredients. Please go check it out. For people who don't like oiling their hair or who don't like the smell of oil, and they want to oil their hair, but all these things kind of stop them from oiling their hair, then I have a solution for you. Please try this. It's by Fino again. It is their hair oil. It's available on Amazon. I'll put the link, guys. And I have done a full video on Japanese products. I'm going to put the link here. In case you have not watched it, please go watch it. I have recommended some of the amazing, amazing, amazing viral Japanese products. Okay, so this is your solution for people who don't like oiling their hair and don't like the smell of hair. Please try this out. You will thank me later. I'm telling you. Okay. Now this is something you can apply almost every day if you want to, and you won't feel the heaviness of your hair. Like you won't feel, that तेल जो पिलो पे लग जाता है और स्मेल जो इतनी खराब होती है that nobody wants to sit next to you. It smells so beautiful that people would want to sit next to you, and it is not oily. So it is an oil which is not oily. Imagine, like, that's the beauty of it. So for people out there who don't like oiling, please try this out. Okay. The last bonus tip that I wanted to kind of give you is perfume. I'm not sure if you've heard about hair perfume. You would have heard about body perfumes, but this one is a hair perfume. It's by Sol de Janeiro, available on Nykaa. Oh my god, you have to smell this. It smells of pistachio, caramel. Oh, you will eat your hair, I'm telling you. And this is something that you should use for special days when you want to make an impression. Please try it out. Buy a small bottle and you will love, 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 love this one. And I've done again a video on hair perfumes. It's a very unique concept. And there are very few brands out there who are doing something about it. So I'm going to put the link. Check it out in case you haven't. Yeah, and that's all from my end. I hope you like my recommendation. If you do, then please, please, please like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. Okay, thank you for all your love, and see you next time. Bye bye.